Geeta, thanks for joining us this evening for AI at Work, brought to you by the Hindu in association with IBM. Um, Given your background in IBM's technology team and your background particularly in governance, what are the challenges that you see agentic AI particularly throwing up for governance?
That's an interesting one, and I think we talk about like using all of this in business, right? So there's an angle of consumer, there's an angle of business we're talking about, and I think the agents, because the future is autonomous agents, right? Which means we are going to give that liberty to agents to
Yes.
take decisions on our behalf and critical business decisions, right? So governance becomes critical importance because if we are allowing agents to take decisions on our behalf, then we need to ensure that every autonomous decision agents take, they are auditable,
Right.
right? So I think what we are enabling our clients, that providing that tooling across creating a safer agentic or a governed agentic environment in which we take care of three aspects. One is because you will see the many agents emerging in an organization, right? Multiple agents will
Yeah.
come in. So how would you first keep a right inventory of agents? That what are the agents in play? How are they interplaying
Yeah.
from in that perspective? The second part, when it comes to giving outcomes as in reasoning and as an outcome of doing task, the various risk which it has,
Yeah.
how do we govern that? So that's the second part, which is what we call risk. And third, if these agents are operating in a regulated industry like, let's say, BFSI, right, then there are certain guardrails which need to be followed.
Yeah.
So we are also working towards saying that can we put those industry specific guardrails for agents so that they are taken care. So this is a framework which enterprises have, which allows them to tell their departments to freely experiment with
Right.
different agents, but they are all governed by a single framework. So they can continue to use different agents, technologies, and all, but they all have to follow this GRC framework, which is highly automated so that individuals don't have to worry about